Structure of a human eye. The human eye is an important sensitive sense organ by which objects and the colors around us can be seen. It is a spherical ball and its front part is sharply curved. The parts of the eye that are visible externally is external structure of the eye. External structure of an eye. 1. Sclera. 2. Cornea. 3. Aqueous humor. 4. Iris. 5. Pupil. Sclera. It is a visible white portion. It is made up of dense connective tissues and protects the inner parts. Cornea. It is a transparent protective membrane that covers the front part of the eyeball. When light strikes cornea, it refracts the incoming light into the lens. That is, the cornea contributes between 65 to 75% of eye's total focusing power. Aqueous humor. Behind cornea, there is a place filled with a liquid called aqueous humor. It is a transparent water-like fluid. It is secreted from the ciliary body. Iris. It is a colored portion of the eye, visible externally. It is a muscular diaphragm present between the aqueous humor and lens. The main function of iris is to control the diameter of the pupil according to the light source. In low light condition, the iris makes the pupil to expand so that more light is allowed to go in. And in the case of an excess light condition, the iris makes the pupil to contract and thereby prevents the excess light not to go into the eye. Thus, iris enables pupil to act as a variable aperture for entry of light into the eye. 4. Pupil. It is a small hole located at the center of the iris. The pupil appears black because any light falling on it goes into the eye, and there is almost no chance of light coming back to the outside. Pupil allows light to enter and focus onto the retina. Internal structure of an eye. The following parts are the internal structure of an eye. 1. Eye lens. 2. Ciliary muscles. 3. Vitreous humor. 4. Retina. 5. Optic nerve. Eye lens. Eye lens is a transparent biconvex lens. The lens is hard in the middle and gradually becomes soft towards the outer edge. The lens is attached to the ciliary body by ligaments. The lens along with the cornea refracts light so that it focuses onto the retina. 2. Ciliary muscles. The ciliary muscles to which eye lens is attached helps the eye lens to change its focal length by changing the radii of curvature of eye lens. Vitreous humor. It is transparent, jelly-like substance present between the lens and the retina. It contains 99% of water, retina. It is the innermost layer of the eye. It is light sensitive and acts as a film of camera. It contains nearly 125 million receptors called rods and cones. Cones identify the color and rods identify the intensity of light. The distance between the lens and retina is about 2.5 centimeters. If an object is placed at a distance in front of the eye, the image will form on the retina. If we move the object towards the eye, then also image forms on retina. From this, we can say that for any position of an object, after least distance of distinct vision in front of the eye, the image distance is fixed and is about 2.5 centimeters. Optic nerve. It is located at the posterior portion of the eyes. It transmits visual information from retina to the brain.
5 mantra, the complete education.